Owner installing a brand new septic. Escape to this 2-bedroom lake house situated on a quiet street west/a circular drive on a huge piece of property. Home is in good shape but needs TLC. Some new windows, hardwood floors, 2-zone heat, 2 oversized sheds, slate entranceway, cathedral ceilings in the large living room west/hardwood floors, updated bath with jetted tub, master bedroom with walk-in closet including built-in shelving and hardwood floors. Bedroom 2 also has a hardwood floors family room and kitchen on the main level, with a laundry closet perfect for a stackable unit. Slate floors and window seat at main entrance. Plenty of room to enjoy the outdoors, walk to the beach, and enjoy the country in a community reminiscent of days gone by. Second floor deck offers a great place to enjoy the outdoors. Come see.